G'day guys, Ben from Snowy's here today down at the Forward Drive Show on the Darche stand. They've let us come down and film some of their products. I've got the 270 awning set up behind me here. What I want to show you is the walls and how they attach. Now there's 3 walls that come with a 270 awning. I've got them laid down on the ground here in front of me. They're made of the same 260 GSM poly cotton canvas that the awning's made of. Each wall has its own door. You can mix and match them, or if you were to put them all on, you're increasing the total area or sheltered area inside your awning and you're creating a really weatherproof space. Attaching them is as simple as doing a zip up. We do need to make sure that we've got all the poles that come with your awning in place before we do that, and we start with them in an upright position. I'll get started with wall 1, which starts at the front end of the awning, and I just zip it on. The Darche have got marks on both the awning and the wall to match up where the walls go. So to get started, all we need to do is grab the zip, insert it, and start doing it up. Now, as you go, if you grab ahead of where you're zipping, lift it up, it's going to be much easier to do the zip up. As we reach the pole, obviously we need to make sure it goes around the outside of the pole. That's wall 1 attached. I have got the door rolled up here. I'll just unroll it to show you how it looks when it's closed. So they are just a solid canvas door that rolls up, gives you tons of water protection, tons of weather protection. I'll go ahead and install the second wall now. So for the second wall, there are 2 zips. One zip joins the wall together, the other one zips across the top. I'll put the top one in first. So we're just making sure the walls match up. We've got W2 here and W2 up here, and we can attach it. It can be easier just to back this first zip off a little bit. It gives you a bit more space to work with. If you get to a point where you feel like the zip's a bit tight, just make sure you lower the pole a little bit so you've got a little bit more play in the fabric there. The corners are the hardest bit to do up. So I've got this panel rolled up here as well. If I unrolled that, that would also enclose this panel. Before I attach the last wall, I'm just going to go back and do up the zip between wall 1 and wall 2. So we've got one more short wall to attach on this end here, and we're all done. So it is a little bit of a struggle to get the zips done up, just to get them started mainly, but it's perfectly doable. Now it's probably worth mentioning that any of these sides between the poles and these straight edges, you can roll the whole side up between zippers. There is one door though on the other side here that is a panel within the side that you can roll up, so it leaves one strip along the bottom. So I guess that's your main access door. This allows you to completely open up without any trip hazards on the bottom. One more thing we need to do after we put the walls up is grab the poles that have the little pivoting hinge at the top here and just angle them out. That gives us more walking space underneath the awning here and adds a little bit more support to the side of the wall here. That's how you attach all 3 walls to the Darche 270 Eclipse awning. You can pick the walls up and the awning from our website at snowys.com.au at lowest prices every day at free delivery to just about anywhere in Australia. Hope it was useful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.